This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a technology package, a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, high-intensity headlights, an audio media storage unit, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: voice activation technology, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a power driver's seat, air conditioning, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Stop by our location at 100 Oxmoor Lane for the best deals on Ford and Lincoln vehicles. Visit our website and view our entire inventory online at www.oxmoorflm.com.